Ni mabura ma 56 ma Jamhuri kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi maria megwikinyitio ni kanini na kanene gukungwira muthenya uyu wa mwanya uria ukoragwo wikirirwo na njira nene mabuku-ini ma kiririkano ma bururi. Ndeto egi itugi inya cia thirikari iria ni hamwe na gutigira kuri na irio cia kuigana, nyumba cia raithi, gukinyeria muingi motungata makinyereru mogima wa mwiri o ndomwe no thondeki wa indo, ikioya muhari wa mbere guku president agiteterithia bata wa gukinyanira kwa maundu maya kuona Kenya ni meguteithika na njira nene. Gwikiriwo president ni atariirie ati gukinyeria mwaka wa 2022 mubango ugima wa mwiri wa UHC uria weriga kurugorio kaunti-ini inya ni gwakorwo gitamburukio thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47 niguo Kenya mahotage kwambukira motungata makinyaniru mogima wa mwiri.
We have invested quality time to prepare the full rollout of this program by the beginning of next year to cover the remaining 43 counties.
I'm confident that accelerating from the big four, we will ensure that every Kenyan has a decent meal. We will ensure that through agro-processing, value addition, manufacturing, and the housing program, millions of our young people will get jobs.
Nayo ndeto egie waki wa nyumba cia raithi.
I have directed and ordered that the Ministry of the National Treasury, as well as the ministry responsible for housing, to move to Parliament for a revision of the legal requirement in respect of the Housing Fund levy to make the contribution voluntary, and this should happen with immediate effect.
Ihinda-ini riu ni atariirie bata wa kunyitirira ahuri biacara nini kuona ni manyitaga itemi nene hari ukuria wa utonga wa bururi na cihonge iria cihokeirwo wira wa kungania magoti igiatho guthinga mĩenyere yothe koretwo ho na kuhitana na aria methemaga ũrĩhi wa magoti.
I have ordered and directed that the National Treasury and the Kenya Revenue Authority review our tax structures, especially in relation to our small and medium businesses, so as to reduce the tax burden while fostering tax compliance.
Ndeto egie urumwe ndena tigwo na thutha a Kenya o ndomwe na atongoria makiurio metekire kuhimberia thayo na gukinyukia nginyo iria ciakinyirwo ni njamba cia wiathi aria merutire na njira nene hari gukura bururi moko-ini ma nyakeru.
We are called upon to build bridges and to heal divisions, not because it is easy, but it is because it is who we are and because it is what we must do as Kenyans.
Mabura maya megwikinyitio ni atongoria kiheri na mahumboriri ni Prime Minister wa Babedo Maya Motli uria wiranĩire ati thirikari yake ni guthie na mbere kunyitanira na bururi wa Kenya na muno makiria guka ni maundu ma ũkũria na ũthii wa na mbere.